What's up, guys? This is G from GEXHAUST. Today's a special day. We got some major horsepower here. We got C8 Corvette, Supercharged classic Mustang, full resto build. We got a wicked turbo Porsche outside, courtesy of Dr. Moto. Come take a look, guys. Let's see what we got. We got a Supercharged Mustang on the lift, complete resto mod, super big horsepower. Come take a look at this thing. This thing is an absolute beauty. Full custom build. I mean, to the T. Probably the best build you can get. All right, they built it somewhere in Nebraska. You know, they're doing some crazy shit out in Nebraska. So we're swapping out the mufflers for some Borla. We also got this C8 Corvette coming in with a Fabspeed custom full built etch pipe carbon fiber tips. This thing sounds like a straight fighter jet. Come see us. This is what we do at GEXHAUST.